Ka Jylla Megalaya haringkat bat kari kala Rakhe ya ka Lyngkhuh Rakhe benyop sao Jong Jingrakhe Laitluid kari India. Kane ka Jingrakhe ya ka Jingrakhe Laitluid kari mendaus nem ka compare na ka jingkhe ka khlam covid khat khandai hakaba kibadon benta hakane ka Jingrakhe gila bot renti ya ki kendon jong ka tangal ka koi khyam hakane ka sngi Rakhe yo Jingrakhe Laitluid hanlong ba shalong uminti rang ba ka Jylla ukon dot kongol sangma ulapen her shwa ya ka lama lai rong jong kari bat shimru ya ka salute jong ka jingyai parit ki pulit bat ki sipai haba ai jingkran hakane ka sngi uminti rang ba ka Jylla ukon dot kongol sangma ula ai khublai sngi yo Laitluid kari ya borok ki nong Megalaya bat ulapen paru ka jing songoburam ya borok ki nong ya khun Laitluid kari na do Mahatma Gandhi upandit Jawaharlal Nehru lembat kibai bat kumjuru ya utirat sing sim ukiang nong ba bat upatokan sangma ki badai ki klawat jong ka Jylla ki badon benta baha ban pelat ya kari na ka jing sensyar ki pareng.
Inspector Rajan Borloy of the District Executive Force, Shillong. Taking the salute now is the contingent of the Central Reserve Police Force led by Inspector Pradeep Yadav. Approaching the saluting dais and taking the salute is the contingent from the Meghalaya Police 1st MLP Battalion. Following the 1st MLP Battalion and approaching the dais to take the salute.
I would like to thank and acknowledge the leadership of all our community leaders, including the Rambashnons, the Dorbars, the Nokmas, and the youth. The exemplary fearlessness and sensitivity displayed by leaders like Ba Borlik Suting, the Rambashnon of Mautaria Pomlakrai village, the first rural area to have a COVID-positive case, is worth highlighting. Continuing the model of community engagement, the government has recently set up behavioral change management committees. These committees will build citizen capacity to deal fearlessly with COVID and will particularly focus on protecting the elders and persons with comorbidities. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank all those who contributed approximately rupees 9.5 crore to the Chief Minister's Relief Fund. Your contributions have helped us acquire 45 ambulances, 3 biomedical waste vans, and take up other relief efforts. Dear citizens, I would like to take a moment now to talk about the economic disruption caused by COVID-19 and the efforts and the plans of the government to deal with this disruption. The government's first priority during the lockdown was to ensure that every household had enough food grains. I am happy to inform you that we were able to achieve this. The lockdown also adversely impacted the livelihood of laborers and the daily wage earners. To alleviate their distress, an amount of rupees 51 crores was spent. Rupees 5,000 each for 25,794 registered workers and rupees 2,100 each for 1,81,491 unregistered workers. Further, an amount of 25 lakhs was released to all the MLAs of the state for supporting the well-being of the people in their constituencies. Further, 3,18,000 women bank account holders were provided an assistance of rupees 1,500 rupees each. 1,38,000 farmers were provided an assistance of rupees 2,000 each, and 53,692 pensioners were also supported under the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana.